Hey guys and gals, how y'all doing on a pretty afternoon like this? I'm in Las Vegas right now. That's right, Las Vegas. We're just ending the Land and Sea show here in Las Vegas. You can look around behind me and see this is a big convention center. Lots and lots of booths. The people are kind of thinning out. The show ends here in just a little bit. But I'm here with Booyah Clean. That's right, Booyah Clean. Roland Martin is here with me. Roland and I have been using Booyah Clean for quite a few years. And Booyah Clean is the only boat cleaner that is EPI Safer Choice approved, where you can wash your boat in your boat slip, up on your boat lift, on a boat ramp after you get through fishing. Clean your boat with Booyah Clean and then rinse it off right in the lake. Let the water go right in the lake. It's perfectly biodegradable. It's allowed, and no other boat cleaners you're allowed to do that. It has taken over all the marina sales. If you buy any marina you go in, it's just about going to have Booyah Clean. Just for that reason I just said. It's in a lot of the big box stores. You can get it in lots of places. And this show right here is a private show. Land and Sea is a big distributor, and they sell to thousands of people. The show's getting ready to close right now. They're announcing that. And but the Booyah Clean booth is pretty techy this year. I'm going to go over and show you a couple things just because they're kind of cool. In fact, I got to buy me one of those. You see back here in the background, right between Booyah and that umbrella, you see that right there? That's a fan. See that fan going around? It's got pictures on it. It's so cool. I got to get me one. Take it and use it in personal appearances. I think it'll be absolutely fantastic. Let's go back there and visit with Mike Weiscarver. They tried to hire him over there where we've been. They feed you breakfast, lunch, and dinner out here. And they got Blue Bunny ice cream over there right now. Not Bluebell, but Blue Bunny ice cream over there. And I'm going to go over and partake some in a little bit before I fly back to Oklahoma. But Mike was over there, and they had a big, giant pigs, full pig, big pig. And he told Mike, he said, you should have my job. And Mike said, why is that? And he said, because you're a wise carver. Mike Weiscarver, a wise carver. I thought that was pretty cute. But let's go over and visit with Mike a little bit and let him tell us about Booyah Clean. You're going to be hearing a lot about this. Roland and I have been using this product for quite a few years, but it is just now, because it's got all the EPA approval, taking over the boat cleaning, the auto cleaning marketplace. All right, guys and girls, let's see if we can find Mike here. He's been really, really busy during the show. Mike Weiscarver got him a new job out here working for South Point Hotel, carving meat, right? Because he's a wise carver. Mike, tell us a little bit about Booyah Clean here. I've explained a little bit about the fact that we are Safer Choice EPA approved, the only boat cleaning product that is like that to my knowledge. And Roland and I have been using this, like I said, for several years. But tell us, everybody that don't understand, just why this is so special.
Okay, first of all, we have a complete line of marine cleaners that's certified by the EPA in the Safer Choice Direct Release Program. What that means is that you can wash your boat on land and water knowing that you're not going to have any issues with affecting aquatics, having aquatic toxicity issues, any human issues, any human toxic issues, and the product is 100% biodegradable in 28 days. So it's an official clearinghouse for marine cleaners and cleaners that are used in the outdoor environment. And that's really important because today there's billions of pounds of chemicals going into our drinking water. And, those all have an effect on what goes into our body because
they just don't really go away.
They don't, and they're recycled, and we're seeing chemo treatment products in drinking water, and you got microplastics. So we're doing our part by making sure that all of the ingredients are certified by the EPA. So the program is very stringent. We have to recertify every product every 3 years, and then every single ingredient that goes in there has to meet the 10 milligrams per liter or greater aquatic toxicity and the biodegradability standards as well. So we are truly protecting the environment. A lot of people say, well, it's green, it doesn't work. Well, one of the parts of the EPA Safer Choice program is that we have to send it to an independent lab, and they have to test it against a leading competitive brand to make sure it works as good or better. And so now you have products that work as good as the other leading products in the industry. Doesn't cost more, and you're not polluting the environment. And that's what's exciting to us. We're a game changer, we're a sea changer in the industry, what they call an industry disruptor, and we are taking the market by storm.
And so folks that can get this at pretty much any marina anymore, because most marinas do not want you washing your boat in your boat slip, up on your boat lift, or even pulling it out and washing it on a boat ramp, because all that chemical is still going to get in the water. Exactly. So you can buy it at the marinas. Where else can you buy it?
We have it in a lot of retail stores. Walmart has it. Academy has it. A lot of the marine distributors have it.
What if you're out in the boonies and get some through Amazon or Walmart.com?
You can get it on Amazon. You can get it at booyahclean.com. So it's readily available anywhere throughout the United States.
And it'll be even more so, as a matter of fact, because now with somebody like Land and Sea, a big distributor that sells thousands of accounts around, and we've had lots and lots and lots of these accounts. Really excited about this. Ordering displays, they'll have displays look just like that display right there. And where's one of those stickers that you put on your boat? Because this is something new that we've come up with, and this is just a sticker. You know, I'm a redneck. I like stickers, and I got stickers on my trucks. I got stickers all over my boat. City people call these decals, but us rednecks call them stickers. But fishermen for Booyah clean water. Booyah clean water. And there's no bigger environmentalist in the world than hunters and fishermen.
That's right.
And I'm going to be proud to have those on my truck and my boats, because I've been using the product for 7 or 8 years right now, while you've been fighting with the government, not fighting, but working with the government to make sure that we built the products that was actually help the water. We're not just talking the game, we're playing the game, and we're playing it correctly.
Yeah, even if you're washing your boat in your driveway, right, and you have kids, it's safe to use around your house, and that's what's really important for us.
What about cleaning up aluminum boats? We have stuff, basically acid replacer.
Yeah, we have an acid replacement technology that we use for pontoon and aluminum cleaning.
I use Tracker aluminum boats and Ranger fiberglass boats.
So you pull your boat, your pontoon boat out, you spray this on, let it sit for a few minutes, brush it, rinse it, and it's clean as a whistle.
And then with no acid.
This is no acid. This is what we call acid replacement technology. What's good about this product is that the acid is reacted, and it has a patent on it. And when it does that, it takes the acid and it changes it to where it's non-corrosive. So hydrofluorics, phosphoric, hydrochloric acids are very corrosive in nature. And so they'll burn your eyes, your lungs, and your skin. This stuff is classified as an eye and skin irritant. So it's very safe to use. Just need minimal PPE, a pair of gloves, and eyewear when you're using this product.
Cool.
Yep.
I appreciate it, Mike. Okay, guys and girls, that's a cool visit with Mike right there. This is amazing product. It's an amazing product. As I said, Roland and I have been using this for many years while Mike battled to get everything approved. But I got to show you a couple cool deals right here, because, you know, I'm a redneck, and so we're out there. And Roland Martin, my buddy Roland's here.
What you doing, Jimmy?
Roland, we've got really techie here, haven't we?
Hey,
I got it.
Have you shown them this thing?
No, I haven't shown them.
That's
This
so
and the
cool.
fan. This and the fan.
This
All right.
is something else.
All right, here's what I'm going to do. All right, I'm going to turn the camera around.
Okay.
I'm going to get Dana over here.
Watch
Dana?
this.
My beautiful assistant. You know, Roland and I are TV guys, so we have beautiful assistants. You know, like Groucho Marx did. You remember Groucho Marx?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Red Skelton. You remember Red Skelton? Yeah. You're probably older than Red Skelton. And
Ready?
but here you go. Look at this right here. We're going to. She tapped to start. Watch this.
Take a
Watch this.
photo.
Watch.
Y'all are in it and ready.
Son. Man.
You see that? Now, what that did, that took a picture of Roland and I, and it looks like it's on the cover of a magazine.
But
And-
in just a second, look,
You
we'll hit
see
this
the
little thing
picture?
right here. Email.
He's going to email that.
And I'll put your email address in there.
Now that's going to email that. You see it sent. That's email that, and that's coming right to my phone.
And that's
right,
how the photo will
right to my
come?
phone. And the photo, it looks like the cover of a magazine. It's suitable for framing. It's beautiful. I mean, the picture is gorgeous, and look at those two hunks.
Isn't that
I'm
something?
telling you, those
Isn't that
guys,
something?
those girls.
Who's the best looking guy?
I don't know. I don't know who wins, but you're second. All right, here's the other cool technology I got to show you. Now, it's hard to show this right because that's a fan. I think if you zoom in on it.
You zoom to some and kind of.
Now, here's the deal. I zoomed in. You see what that fan does? Look at that. That is a fan. I'm ordering one of those. I'm ordering one of those. You maybe have to zoom in a little more or out. If you get just right, you can't see that fan turning when you're just looking at it.
that's because this is strobing at 30 frames a second. You know, that's the only problem.
But you get in there on it, and that's the world. But I'm gonna
If
put.
you look at it with your naked eye, you don't see the.
Yeah, you see, there's Jimmy up there with a big red fish. But when you look at that, you don't see the fan. All you see is the picture. You see the Booyah Clean come up there. That's on that fan. I'm going to get me one of those guys and girls. And so next time you come see me in an appearance somewhere, I'm going to have one of those set up. And I'm going to put my sponsors on there. We'll put some fish pictures on there. And I don't tell what we might do. It's just really cool. But it's difficult. You know, see that? Look at that. When you get zoomed in just right, you can't see. When you look at it, you can't see anything but that fish swimming up there in the air, which is really, really cool. Really, really cool.
Cool.
Yeah, okay, guys and girls, that'll wrap us up here. They're getting ready to close this show right here. I'm going to head to the airport and head to Oklahoma. I appreciate Mike explaining how Booyah Clean works. Don't even think about using any other boat cleaner if you want to keep our waters, our streams, our rivers clean and pure and getting better for our kids and everything. Conservation is just like the best environmentalists in the world. The most environmentally minded people are fishermen and hunters, because we love to fish, we love to hunt. We want the fishing to get better, we want the hunting to get better. This is one of the ways to keep our streams and waters better than it's ever been. And you know me, I'm working in lots of different areas to try to keep this environment great and make it even better. Guys and girls, have you a great one out there. Fish lucky, and remember, I sure do love you.